Hi Reece, my name's Corey. Cindy told me to send this screencast over to you. But real quick, I'm just going to give you three quick tips on how you can actually just really outrank your competition and really drive that quality of traffic to your website. I got your site pulled up here. I'm just going to run through it real quick. So the three things I'm actually going to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. Looking at your site, I would definitely bring up your word count to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can lay your keywords on words you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. You have this, the image dash and a bunch of numbers, whatever. Put keywords back there. That'll make a huge difference in your rankings as well. That's your first tip. So I'm going to go over to inside of Google and actually just type in AC Repair Naples FL. Just a simple keyword there. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. They came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls from those old school traditional ads, and it looked like they put those old school ads down here at the bottom, which a lot of people have been going away with these because of all those spammy phone calls. So those just help block out those spam calls. These are just another form of paid advertisements. I see some of these ads anywhere from $30 to $140 a click. So imagine, people just clicking on those and not getting any services or repairs done or anything, and that could be quite costly. I don't know if you're doing any ads, but I'll see here in a second. But so this little map section here is going to be dealing with a lot of dealing with a lot of citations to get the rankings. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section is really going to be dealing with all the organic rankings. This is the first page of Google, and that Thoric content and also what comes down to a backlink is what's going to get you there. What a backlink is, just a link that's coming from another website that's linking back to your website, that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Kind of give you an idea here. If I just take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs is just a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So right now you got 26 referring domains, which is pushing back 272 backlinks. Looks like you started this thing back in 2013 or so and really got into your backlinking 2018. Anyway, so you got 49 organic keywords you're actually being ranked for, and coming from that, you got 11 clicks coming to your website every month. It doesn't look like you are running any ads with Google, but I don't know if you're running any ads, TV, radio, which I know those get really costly as well. But kind of seeing where these 11 clicks are coming to your website. These are all your keywords. You're being ranked for a lot of good keywords. Air conditioning repair, Naples, Florida. There's 20 clicks. Air conditioning repair, Naples, FL. There's 200 clicks for that one keyword. But the only problem is that you're 30th, 34th, 20th. 27th position on all these keywords, so you're missing all the traffic because you're showing up on the second, third, fourth page of Google. This is one of your competitors there. This is Speedy Air Conditioning. If I stick them inside of Ahrefs, they got 10 referring domains, which is pushing back 23 backlinks, but they are ranking for 227 keywords, and then the amount of traffic that's coming from that's 271. So it really comes down to having a little bit more authoric backlinks, but having a lot of backlinks does help, but make sure you switch it and get a little bit more authoric backlinks for those. Now coming to see where these clicks are actually coming from, you got he's first, second, third position on a lot of these keywords, and the amount of traffic, 28, 22, 20, 11, AC repair Naples FL, air conditioning repair Naples FL, AC repair Naples Florida, air conditioning repair Naples. There's 30, 50, 200, 400. There's lots of clicks that you're missing, but just really being in a position to ranking for those keywords. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to reach out to me, or if you think that I may have a couple tricks up my sleeve, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. And if you also want to leave a review on this video too, that's cool too.